It's your boy JRE. Man, I've been doing this for a mad minute, bro. A little bit tired, but you know what? Nothing's gonna stop me if Jay Park's gonna put up some new ish. You know I gotta check it out, whether it be a reaction or just check it by myself. But this one has a feature of IU. And when I saw it, I was like, oh shit. Jay Park and IU? That sound good. That sound nice. Hopefully Jay Park be singing, you know what I'm saying? IU be singing. They be like on that duo-ish. Let's check this out. Bro, if you don't know who Jay Park is, then I don't know what you're doing. If you don't know who IU is, then I don't even know what you're doing. You must be new here. Ganadra. I don't even know how I said that right. Oof. But without further ado, let's get into this. Again, follow the Twitch. Link in the description. I do Twitch almost every day. Follow me on Instagram. They got some nice pictures over there and some behind the scenes if you want to see, like, you know, behind the scenes of me meeting others and stuff, etc, etc. Got the TikTok, and of course subscribe to the YouTube, bro. Like this video right now. If you don't, you're not a real one. Shout out to the dreamers out there. What's poppin'? Yeah, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Jay Park, IU. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin.
세트 미술은 이런 컨셉이 될 것 같아요.
아, 셀장 이쁘다. 컨셉 좋은데?
Oh, they're planning out his
아윤의 좀
comeback?
아, 그게 이담치
Ooh, that is a good picture of IU.
지금 아이유님
She always looks good though.
꽉 차 있으시다고 해서 확인은 해보시겠다고 하는데 아직 답장 못 받았어요.
Oh.
아니 내가 한번 연락해볼까?
대표님 직접 해주시면 너무 좋죠.
그래. 뭐 지인이랑 친하니까 내가 하면 돼.
알겠습니다. 그러면 아이유님 출연.
Hey, what if she don't pick up though?
준비하겠습니다.
You know when you say someone's like, oh, I'm really close. Let me pick up, and you do it in front of your friends, like, don't worry, she always picks up. She didn't pick up.
알았어. 왜 뭐 웃겨? 아니. 나 하면 돼. 친해. 아 진짜로 친해.
What? Damn. It's a nice little hoodie though, I'm not gonna lie.
네네, 아유 씨네. 아니 다른 게 아니고요. 다음 주에
우리
같이 한 노래 뮤비.
Yo, look at the background though.
아니 다른 게 아니고요.
We got the Escape by Michael Jackson. We got the Nas album. Ooh. I like. Is that your place? Is this your place? This you?
다음 주에 우리 같이 한 노래.
Whose place is this? This is yours? Ooh. Damn, we got like this. This set look like some I got my beaches up in Georgia kind of. The set. Ooh. Hey. Wait, let me read the lyrics. Just wondering how you feel. Even translated has unused. Why does it feel unfamiliar to me? All I hear are love songs. Let's feel familiar. Oh, okay. Okay, Jay. Try to see what you want to put up. My Korean ain't that good. Same. The translators kind of help me though. But it's a little bit different when you talk to them like personal and you know their language. I don't know. Ooh, it's relatable. Alright, next set. Ooh, I like how they use the audio like in the background kind of ish. And then back to like studio. I don't know. Okay. Hey. Sound a little bit of your time, girl. Little sweaty. Put a smile on. You know, that's a sex. Isn't Magic Carpet Ride about like sex or something like that? I don't know. That could be another topic though. Look at smile. Wait, what happened? What's happening while he's filming? This is quite an interesting take. I like what's happening behind the scenes. Gana Dara Mabo. What is Gana Dara? Is that the alphabet? Oh shit, yeah, I'm actually gonna learn with you. You gonna teach me some Korean? Wait, I actually know that. I need to know that. I think the alphabet is easy to know. Gana Dara Maba Sa. You giving me a free lesson for free? For free, Jay? God damn. The consonants. Ah. A. Okay. Bro, you could say anything in R&B and make it look cool, bro. That's why I keep on quoting Second Thoughts, even though he doesn't talk about it no more. You a fake ass hoe.
내가 어떻게 된 거야? 아 잠시만 수준.
What happened to the Filipino side of my singing accounts?
그때 대표님이 직접 말씀 나누셨다고. 아, 나한테 전화를 온다고 그랬는데 이럴 일이 없는데.
근데 뒤에 아이유님 파트가 엄청 긴데 어떻게?
Oh shit.
아 그러면 뭐 일단 사람 많으니까 뭐 아이디어 내서 해결하고. 네, 뭐 우리끼리 하죠 뭐.
Yeah.
하면 돼요.
Use your minds, people.
네, 일단 해보죠. 네, 일단 네. 오케이, 갑시다.
Oh hell no! They're gonna make a cursed version of IU? Yeah. Okay. What about a cardboard cutout? Like that'd be. Or a green screen. Oh, that would've been hilarious though too. Rob, you should have hired me for a team. Oh, but see, that's the thing. Green screen, green screen. Use the green screen. You already know. I already got one right behind me. Oh, okay. That's so aggressive for a B-boy. Yeah, her verse. Okay. Ooh, her verse is nice. Oh, okay. Hell nah, you know there's some over dramatic shit. This man about to block IU and cry like one single tear. Like, one wish. About to block her ass too. Ooh, that gave me chills. What the fuck? Ooh, hey! Why'd I get chills looking at her? Goddamn, what the fuck? I love that the focus is the behind the scenes productions. Like it is about Jay Park and IU, but it's the thing that the struggle of getting a feature sometimes, especially like IU. That is, you know, like I understand what Jay Park's coming from. Obviously, like if I try to get a Jay Park collab and then he doesn't like pull through, I'm about to block his ass right now. And I cry. And then he just hits me up like, hey man, next time. I'm like, okay. At least he responded. Shout out to Jay Park. That's actually pretty clever. And a feature with IU. That's already legendary. That's already like one of my favorite songs of 2022, bro. More Vision. This is the new project that you've been working on, right? This is like More Vision, right? Definitely gonna have to download on Spotify, you already know. Hey, put in the comments down below what you guys think. I should learn Korean, to be honest. I don't know how I survived my whole like doing this for not really learning Korean. I know a little bit, but like I don't even know the alphabet, but hey, you might got me onto something different. What? Failed. This is why you're not working in the medical field, Dre. Anyways, again, links in the description. Go check out the music video, go download it, and shout out to Jay Park, shout out to IU and everybody. Keep on dreaming, dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X toe, that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear. Calvin Klein, bitch. Jumping the cheeks, dribbling fast, swallowing a lot.